Hi, welcome to Msasa Camp. Let me show you our latest addition to our cabins. This is forest room number 3. Come in, let me show you. Our spacious Mara tent with 2 single beds. That's now, we made it into a nice king size bed. And beautiful deck outside, which, I mean, this tent is big enough so that we can add an extra mattress for a child or a third person as well. And a beautiful deck overlooking the Muyumbu woodlands. And it's like a garden treehouse.